ready when you are. All good. Watch the lights. Now.
My name is Max Eddy. I've been in off-road racing, off-road motorsports for 30 plus years. My role as a navigator is I do a little bit of everything except for turn the steering wheel and push the gas pedal.
In Dakar, you are not allowed to use GPS.
They hand you a road book 10 minutes before you start the race, the day, and then you have to decipher every turn from there on. So if you go up and make one turn too early, then you go 5 kilometers before you realize you're in the wrong spot. You have to backtrack to there where you know you were on the road book and then continue on the course.
Basically, the drivers and navigators are in the car for 12, 14, 20 hours.
You know, a typical day's road book will have hundreds of turns in it. And you have to do this all at speed. It's still a race, it's not just a trail ride.
It's definitely a grind, it's tough. I told myself after 2 years ago, I'm never coming back to this place. By the time I got on the airplane to come home, I was already trying to figure out a way to get back over there and do it again.